all our games are focused on inculcating some value to the user. For example, this game is an ideal game for anybody who wants to explore stock market. If you want to go out and trade in real world, this is probably a good start. If you can find patterns or trends in our game, you will probably be able to find trends and patterns in real world stock market. So this is a perfect way to test your skills without spending money.
To clear up that a little, so the games that we had till now were, they suited very well for non-virtual, based games. But now I think, we see that the money is there in the virtual goods business. So we want to make a game where we can actually make money. We have some estimates. We intend to get some number of users and things like that. But I don't think we can compete with the family because of multiple reasons. Because they have, they advertise and they have a lot of money. So they have heavy market, heavy advertising machinery and all that. So we cannot compete at that level, but we can do our best. The biggest company makes around $200 million in a year. Yeah, it's family. Zynga makes around $200 million every year. But the difference between those games and our game, I feel, is that they are mostly engineered towards growing virally and making a lot of money. But our games, we intend to impart some value to whoever is playing the game. So, for example, if you take family, what you actually mostly do is clicks. So you do a lot of clicks, and that's what you actually do in the game. You don't actually learn anything, but the games that we are trying to make, you actually learn something from playing the game. I don't want to categorize that as education-based game, but it'll impart some value to you. So it could be like improving your concentration, improving your memory, or improving some other aspect of your mind or body. So we eventually want to make games that impart some value. So and we want to head towards where we make games that can be used for education.
If you look at the cycle of a game, development cycle of a game, 1/3 of the work gets done before you release, and 2/3 of the work gets done after you release, like fixing bugs, adding a feature request based on user feedback, porting it to then Facebook API. So we are close to the first 1/3 of the work, and so I think we'll be done with the initial thing, and we'll release it in 4 weeks.
I think the bottom line is, it is a game, so education is a part, but it also has to be fun. So it is not like it should be boring. Education need not be boring. It can be fun also.
The rest of the work will come into picture based on how the traction is for the game, and also based on user feedback. If we really get some good feedback that convinces us that it will increase the number of users, we'll go and add it.